What a day. Showing, I think it's showing about 29 degrees Celsius there in September. Don't happen all the time in Labrador. Anyway, I got smoking some fish there. Got the generator going. Just a bit hard on the batteries. Anything to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Smoking it now for a little bit, and I think it's just about ready to come off. Just working on a couple projects today. Just finished restaining my cabin, the second coat, which is all it requires. Finally got a chance to do it this week with some great people helping. Thanks everybody. I think she's looking pretty good. I even went crazy and painted the window panes black. You think it looks better? What do you think, girlies? Aspen is living up to her name, and she actually retrieved a duck for me the other day. First duck she ever saw a shot in her life, and then she did it again the second time. So I think we'll keep her. My other project is a generator hut. Try and protect it before the winter comes. Generators contained inside. Got my gas can outside with a little pump stem that comes up there. It just fits right in there. All battery operated. Lots of vents. That's take two. The first time it was too hot in there, so hopefully this works. All right, let's take out the piece of this fish and try it. Look at that. This little piece right here is just dying to get sampled, I think. Now I'll take this stick and just kind of flake a piece right off of here because it's very hot. Oh man, that is perfectly done. You don't want to smoke your fish too much, because even when you pull it out of the smoker, it'll keep cooking for a while thereafter, especially on a warm day like this. If you get fish and you dry it out, it tastes kind of sooty, too smoky. But if you leave it just a touch moist before you take it out, then it will be spot on. Some days my life is very exciting, other days it's very boring. Like you would watch paint dry, I watch wood dry. Those of you who have been asking, way back in the spring when I cut this wood, I labeled this here particular junk just to show you how wood dries over a summer period. I got the measuring tape. I'm going to measure it and compare it to what it was back in the spring. And you'll notice that all the wood on this end will be drier, and it's starting to fall forward, because even the wood on this end and even on this end of the wood is getting narrower faster as it dries out. So it starts to all taper a little bit and start to fall ahead of it. I know it's hard to believe, but on the collective sense, we're after going down a few inches. All that wood is sunk down. Now it would have sunk into the ground too because it thawed out, but it all condensed a little bit because of drying. Now if you look back on the first picture I took, it was about 5 inches, maybe 5 1/16 or so. And I'll measure in the same place. So now it's about 4 7/8 of an inch. So we're after losing about 1/8 of an inch just off of this small chunk of wood here at a roughly 5 inches. You take that 1/8 of an inch and multiply on all of this wood, then you're losing a fair bit of volume. And of course you see all the lines here where it all dried out perfectly. That chunk of wood is ready for the stove right now. Well, actually not today because it's plus 30 degrees Celsius, but tomorrow it's going to be a high of 11 degrees Celsius. All that chunk of wood will be in my wood stove, I guarantee you. Anyway guys, until next video, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time, guaranteed.
We'll see you next time, guaranteed.
Get outside.